What Lewis does after I stop patting him. What? Nah, don't have to pat you anymore. I'm kidding, baby. Louie, are you sad that I'm not patting you anymore? Are you sad I'm not patting you anymore? Hey? He's angry at me that I'm not patting him. Here comes my other dog. Come on, Brody. Come here. Hello, beautiful. Hello, beautiful girl. Hello, beautiful girl. Hey. Good girl. She sucks when I stop patting her. No, I'm not patting you. Don't have to. Now I'm patting you again. I'm not patting you anymore. Not patting you anymore. Oh, there's a foot. There's a foot. Are you alright there, Lewis? Bless you. High five. Good girl. Here comes my big dog now. Hey, Buffhead. Come here. Hello, baby. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Ah! Dogs are pretty. A little help. Oh! The dog just bashed me.